What's up, everyone? It's your boy Jermaine back for another video. So in this video, let's do a walking tour to Salesforce Park. I'm on the street right now, and I'm gonna go up so that way I could show you guys what it looks like from the bottom. And we can take the elevator and go up, and you can see what it looks like going across. Some of y'all may watch this in 360 and some of y'all may watch the flat version, but let's go up right now. Let's go check it out. Today has been super busy in the city. It's so full of tourists. Here are the elevators. Looks like this one may come all the way down. Yes, it is. And it's also empty. Just gonna do like a quick walkthrough. The button gonna go. Sorry. Yeah, alright, let's go in. So we're watching this in 360. Feel free to watch the full version. Guess I'll stand over here. I haven't made a video here for some time. I always forget this place exists. It's a really cool park. And if you ever come to the city and you're downtown, you should check it out. The third level is the bus transit terminal. I'll poke out really fast. There's like buses, and it looks really weird to see buses on this level because it looks like I'm on the ground. It feels like I'm on the ground, but I'm not on the ground. This is the third level. This here is the fourth level. And we exit this way.
So you just never win.
And here we have it. It's really, really cool view. I can just stand here and look for like minutes. Especially this direction. But anyway, we want to walk around because I actually have to go soon. This is one of my favorite buildings in the city. If you look over to the left, this is 181 Fremont, aka the Facebook building. It may not be the Facebook building for long. When I say for long, I mean it may not be the Facebook building forever. Here we have this beautiful building off to the right here. This is the Millennium Tower, aka the Sinking Tower. Some people like to call it the Leaning Tower. I don't like to call it the Leaning Tower. I like to call it the Sinking Tower because it's not leaning, it's sinking. This is a cool place. It's a really cool park. Whenever I'm here, I always forget that I am on the fourth floor. Right here is the most hated building in all of San Francisco. If you look over to my right, this is the Salesforce Tower. I like the Salesforce Tower. I think it's cool. But I also did not grow up in San Francisco. Just want to throw that out there. Off to the right, this is a waterfall. It's off right now, but it's usually on. I think it comes on like randomly. This park area has definitely grown up quite a bit. There's the trees are grown up. The last time I was here, maybe I have to look at some of my old videos. I don't remember the trees being as big. We'll kind of stop and hang out for a second. This thing up ahead on the right is the gondola. If you're watching this in 360, I'm totally talking as if this is a 360 video. Maybe I'll make this a 360 video. I'll probably make a reel out of this and dub it up. But for people that like 360 videos, I haven't made a 360 video in some time. Looks like the gondola is closed. Basically, if you don't know what the gondola is, it's like this thing that you can ride up from the ground level. and let's just walk over. You can ride up from the ground level and it looks like this. Off to the right, you can see, oh, it looks like it's gonna come up, or there's people in it right now. You can see a lot of construction from the sinking tower. We're gonna back because the gun looked like it's gonna come up. I'm gonna continue walking because I kind of don't want to ride it. I don't think you can ride it down. I think you can only ride it up, by the way. So we'll continue walking. The city today is full of tourists. Like, I haven't seen it like this in some time. I probably won't come downtown tomorrow, or I probably won't be out downtown tomorrow, because when on the heavy tourist days, the city's really different. Like, I'm just gonna keep it real. As someone who lives downtown, it's just very, very different. A lot of things have changed here. It used to be a Starbucks around here. I think it was off to the right, but now there's like hella chairs and stuff like that. People hanging out. There used to be like classes over here, off to the left. Yeah, the waterfalls haven't cut on yet. It's wet on the ground, so it makes me think that the waterfalls were on. Maybe they're just not on now. But maybe we'll get lucky and they'll cut on. Go! There's more elevators here. There's lots of, I think there's like 4 sets of elevators. I think there's 3 blocks. If I always forget. It's 3 blocks, but it's a pretty long way. We started at Bill Street, and we're gonna go over to, not exactly the Second, but we're gonna go over to Second. I'm just looking at some of these windows over here. It said did great. If you're watching the 360 version, you'll probably have a lot to look at. You don't have to look at me, you can look around. Especially if you're using your Oculus. I haven't used my Oculus in so long. This is a really cool park. Just looking at some of the rules at the park. If you ever come to this park, check out the rule on the very, very bottom. It's a little funny. I'm not going to say it in this video, but if you ever come to the park, check out the rule on the very, very bottom. If they don't remove that rule before you come here. There is a building here off to the left. It is 333 Tamaha. I believe it's still closed. They had a really, really big flood. Very, very unfortunate. I'm gonna stop here for a second. So this building here is, if I can remember, I think this is 530 Mission. I don't know. I remember going here for some time. I was taking some coding class, and I was going there for some time, and then I quickly realized that coding wasn't for me. Sorry to say, I understand a lot of people say, you know, tech is the way to go, it's the only thing you should do, but I went there and I didn't really like coding as much. I just wanted to be a YouTuber instead, you know. Gosh, I'm just checking out some of these views. This building over here, I was just looking at it online. Someone sent me some links. This building here, this is 450 Fremont or 488 Fremont. It really depends on which door you go in, because that building has 2 different doors. There's the waterfalls. That's a really beautiful building, but it's like basically empty for the most part. Let's continue cruising. Over here is a oh, here's some toilets if you ever need to go. But over here is a what do you call this thing? I forget what you call this. This is a, check it out. This is a place where you can have performances. It's really, really cool. It's very open. forget what you call this. This is a I'm sorry, I'm just gonna act like I didn't butcher this video because I don't want to edit it, you know. Yeah, we're here. Amphitheater, that's what you call it. It's an amphitheater. That's what I was trying to say. And this is 333 Tomahawk. That's a really cool building. I think it's still closed as of now. I have a really awesome rooftop area. I haven't explored 488 Fremont yet. This is this building here, glass building here. I haven't explored that one yet. And I'm just checking out this one over here. This is this building over here, like on the other side. This is Montgomery. I forget the name of this building. I don't know the name. I just know the numbers. 140 Fremont. It's a really cool building with the American flag on top. It's like an old school classic building. You know, they've redone it. It's amazing inside. It looks pretty fly inside, I have to say. But if you follow me online, you know that I like the more modern buildings. For sure. Alright, so I guess we're gonna wrap this video up. We are gonna go down, catch an elevator. And if you're watching this in 360, feel free to look around because there's a lot to see. And I'm gonna go take the elevator now. I see that it's made it downstairs because I have come here a lot, but I haven't been here for some time. I love the clear glass elevators. If you look over, you can see 4.5 football field in length. Huh. I don't exactly know how big a football field is. I don't watch football. Well, let's get into the elevator. Let's press the button. Street level. There's only two options on this elevator. You can only go to the street level, or you can go down, or you can go up. Yeah. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And peace out, yo. Go exit really fast. Woohoo! Now we're on the bottom level, and it's quiet. Not much going on. And I've already wrapped this video up. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.